Welcome back to Stock Talk Trades. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. It helps with the channel. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Ideally, I want to hit that by the end of June. So if you haven't already, please subscribe. I'm giving away $100 at 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. We're covering HBAR. But before we get into it, I just wanted to cover about our newsletter. Our newsletter actually comes every single morning. You get all the stocks that have significant news, a watch list by a six-figure trader, and the top gappers and movers on the day, the previous day gainers, and earnings calendar so you can know which stocks are going to move. That is super helpful, and it lets me kind of pick stocks and narrow it down to what stocks I'm going to trade. It's free, link in bio, or excuse me, link in the description below. Now let's get right into it. So HBAR is actually, I'm looking at the monthly chart, and I'm did from the swing low to the swing high, all-time high. All-time low to all-time high, we have a Fibonacci retracement of 19 cents, and we are finding support there, or at least we are finding support there. We hold this, we could continue to push up to that 55-cent range. We are going to find a lot of resistance on that 50-cent range, and obviously that all-time high. Let's go ahead and take a peek at a weekly chart here. So on a weekly chart, we actually are pulling back pretty significantly. I mean, not compared to this run. This is a fat run, but this is a it's like a cone almost of like outward breaking. So this can't be held for long. And I do think that we will eventually break up out of this trend more often than we'll break down. So we really just got to wait and see what happens. I do want us to continue to pull up. Let's go ahead and take a peek at some Fibonacci retracements, shorter term. So we did break below it, and that's not good. We are finding resistance now. Hopefully we could actually break through this and continue to push forward. Let's go ahead and take a peek at a shorter time frame. Now on the daily, we actually were building up. We weren't really respecting it, so I'm going to go ahead and take that out of the question because we weren't respecting it how I like to. So I don't want to use that as a reference. But for this one, we are supporting it, or we are, excuse me, respecting it. So ideally, I want to continue to pull up. This could be a fat ABC pattern, and again, ABC patterns, they can happen as many times in a row, but if you're interested in actually, I'm trying to get the words here, you want to be safe on the second run after. So you have the first run up, pullback, second run up, pullback. If it's in an, excuse me guys, if it's in an up direction, sorry, I had to get some water. But if we are in an uptrend, you don't want to go long after the second run up. So run, pullback, run, pullback. I wouldn't want to go long here just in case traders decide to reverse it. So I personally wouldn't go long. I love HBAR, and I'm continuing to buy it no matter what the fuck the price is. It has great fundamentals, and it will be huge in the future. Let's go and take a peek at an hourly chart, see if you guys are interested in a play, how you could play it, but we are going to look. So we actually are finding huge support, and we actually closed above this 21 EMA. We actually had a huge candle, which is very bullish. We don't really know what's going to happen here. The candle just opened. So if we can actually stay above this 21 EMA, then it would be nice. It would be good. We do have a support zone and almost like a channel, I would say. So I could expect it to continue to pop up to that swing high of 23.7. So just a cent up, which is still a decent amount for this, which is still a 4% trade. And you can even bring it up to maybe even a little bit higher to around 23.9, 24. So that's HBAR is looking good both ways. And I'm going to keep it nice, short, and simple. We're going to go back to our daily chart, make sure that I don't have anything too crazy. I'm trying something new. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. It helps out the channel, and you can stay up to date on your favorite cryptos. Love y'all. Peace.